Hello everyone, I'm doing a noise comparison to the slim PS2 compared to the fat PS2. I'll let them run and play and read this as usual. So, enjoy this noise test I'm giving you. The other YouTube channels, my noise test will be better. So, please enjoy. That's the noise test for the PS2 Fat versus the PS2 Slim. We can tell for a point that the PS2 Slim that has a disc tray on top instead of the front like the Fat, we can actually feel the disc. We can hear the disc spinning, just like the Super Slim PS3, which I don't have that model. I only have a Slim. But anyway, the Fat one is the loudest out of all. It came. Anyway, this is a 2001 model. Let me plug it real quick. It's hard to see. Here. I'm gonna need to grab my light real quick. Maybe I'll just use my phone as a flashlight. There you go. Let me find the year. Where is it? There it is, right there. I'm not sure you can see it. But I said 2001. It was blurry, so I don't think you could see it. But the Slim, I think this is a 2004 or 2005 model. Whoa, this is a 2007 model. The PS3 was already out back then. Ever since the PS3, 60 gig and 20 gig, came out in 2006. So, the Slim has a built-in LAN port, but PS2's Fat, you gotta have to buy one hard disk drive to connect to the LAN. And the Fat one has a power switch. I usually use it when I unplug the PS2. Before I do it, I switch it off, then unplug. Instead of leaving it on, then unplug. But Slim, there's no power switch. You know the Slim model is known to get extremely hot on the bottom. The bottom gets really hot because it's known to get hot, like the 60 gig. But anyway, that was it for my noise comparison system test. So I'll see you around. Next up is Wii U. Thanks for watching.